Welcome to Summarized Science, where complex research is made simple for everyone. Today, the focus is on a new study that explores why robots often struggle with common-sense problem-solving. While most robots can perform repetitive tasks perfectly, they frequently fail when something unexpected happens. To fix this, researchers created a new benchmark called RoboWits to test a robot's ability to reason and adapt. This benchmark uses over 200 unique challenges that require robots to think creatively rather than just following a script. The researchers built an automated system that generates these tasks, ensuring they are truly difficult for an AI to solve. One of the key concepts in this study is the use of mutations, which are small changes that break the obvious solution to a problem. For instance, if a robot usually picks up a cup to empty it, a mutation might involve fixing that cup firmly to the table. In this case, the robot must realize it needs to use a tool or even pour water into the cup to make objects float to the top. These scenarios test a robot's understanding of physics, like how a ruler can be used to push multiple objects into a straight line. Another task requires the robot to use a long rod as a reach extender to grab an item that is out of its normal reach. Some of the most advanced challenges involve differentiating between objects that look identical but have different weights or materials. A robot might have to drop objects into water to see if they float, identifying which one is wood and which one is metal. The paper highlights that current robotic tests often ignore complex materials like liquids and soft objects. RoboWits includes these materials to ensure robots can eventually handle the messy reality of a human home. When the researchers tested some of the world's most advanced AI models on these tasks, the results were surprising. Even models that were specifically fine-tuned for these tasks struggled significantly when faced with the mutated versions of the challenges. This reveals a massive performance gap between simple motor execution and high-level cognitive reasoning. The study found that robots often rely on superficial patterns in the images they see rather than understanding physical laws. This means that simply giving a robot more data isn't always enough to make it smarter in a creative sense. Let's recap the most important findings from this research. Current AI is great at doing exactly what it has been taught, but it lacks the flexibility to handle curveballs. RoboWits provides a standardized way to measure this flexibility, which is essential for robots to work safely around humans. The failure of existing models shows that scientists need new ways to teach robots how to reason about the world. In the future, this research could lead to robots that can help with household chores or emergency responses without getting stuck. By focusing on these creative challenges, scientists can move closer to building truly intelligent machines. This study is a major step toward robots that don't just follow instructions, but actually understand the why behind their actions. Thank you for watching Summarized Science, and stay tuned for more breakthroughs.